Welcome to our revision tutorial today. And in our tutorial today, we are going to revise questions in mathematics. So question 1, it's coming from circle properties. And the question says, in the diagram below, A, B, C, and D lie on the circumference of a circle center O. Given that angle BAD is 47 degrees and angle DBC is 28 degrees, calculate angle BOD, which is this one here, the angle at the center. So how do we find that angle? There is a property that says that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Okay, meaning if where A is there was 30, meaning at O there would have been 60. So for us to find this angle BOD, would say it would be 2 multiplied by angle BAD, like that. So our BOD would be twice of angle BAD, which happens to be 47 degrees. So therefore BOD will be equal to 94 degrees. Okay, then we can go to the next angle, which is angle OBD. Now kindly take note that the distance from O to D, that is the radius, the distance also from O to B, that is the radius, that makes these two distances to be equal. Now when these two distances are equal, this makes this triangle OBD, okay, to be an isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle, meaning two angles, two sides are equal and two angles are also what? Equal. Okay, so now that at O there I've got 94, therefore we can say that angle OBD equals to 180 degrees minus 94 divide 2. That one is going to give us 86 divided by 2. Then OBD will be equal to 43 degrees. Okay. So that means here it is 43, here it is 94, and there also it is 43 degrees. Okay, then the last question we are told to find BDC, meaning this angle here, a small angle. Now how do we find that angle there? If we have an angle here at C, it will be very easy to find the angle at D. And how do we find that angle at C? Okay, there is a property that says the sum of the two opposite, the sum of the two opposite interior angles continual angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, adds up to what? To 180 degrees. So meaning the angle at A, which is a BAD, plus the angle at C, which is a BCD, should be equal to 180. Okay, so at A there we've got a 47, then BCD will be equal to 180. When the 47 crosses the equal sign, our BCD will be equal to 180 degrees minus 47. So BCD will be equal to 180 minus 47. That one is going to give us 133 degrees. So if I've got a 133 there, okay, we can now find the angle at D. How do we find it? We shall say BDC plus 133 degrees plus the 28 there at B is equals to 180. So angle BCD, the angles in that triangle, if you add, is supposed to give us 180. So BDC plus, okay, 133 plus 28 is going to give us 161 being equal to 180. 161 crosses the equal sign, that would be BDC will be equal to 180 degrees minus 161. So the difference of the two, that will be equal to 19 degrees. Okay.